TalkTalk YouView boxes continue to be fully supported as of August 2025, receiving regular firmware updates even as the company transitions users toward newer streaming solutions. When your YouView box experiences issues, understanding the different reset options can save you time and prevent unnecessary data loss. There are 3 main types of reset methods available, each designed for different severity levels of problems. The soft reset is your first line of defense for minor glitches and slow performance. It's like restarting your computer, quick and safe. The hard reset is more drastic, returning your box to factory settings. This erases all recordings, settings, and personal data, so use it carefully. Maintenance mode reset is for serious problems when your box won't boot properly or has severe software corruption. This typically requires technical support guidance. Let's examine each reset method in detail, starting with when and how to use each one effectively. Soft reset resolves 85% of common YouView box issues. It's safe, quick, and preserves all your settings and recordings. Technical experts recommend performing a soft reset weekly for optimal performance, and it's always the first troubleshooting step to try. Hard reset is more serious and should only be used when soft reset doesn't solve the problem. Hard reset returns your box to factory settings, erasing everything. Only 12% of issues require this level of reset. Use hard reset only when soft reset fails, or when you're experiencing persistent network connectivity problems after changing internet settings. Maintenance mode reset is the most advanced option, reserved for the most serious problems. Maintenance mode reset handles the most serious problems, when your box won't even start properly or has severe software corruption. This advanced reset mode typically requires guidance from TalkTalk technical support and is only needed for about 3% of all issues. Remember, always start with a soft reset for any YouView box issues. Regular weekly soft resets help maintain optimal performance and prevent many problems from occurring. Now we'll walk through the actual steps to perform both soft and hard resets on your TalkTalk YouView box. We'll start with the gentler soft reset method. A soft reset is the first method you should try when experiencing minor issues. This method restarts your box without deleting any recordings or personal settings. Method 1. Press and hold the power button on your remote control for exactly 5 seconds. You'll see the box restart automatically. Method 2. If the remote isn't working, you can unplug the power cable from the back of the box, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Soft resets preserve all your recordings, settings, and personal preferences. Use this method for slow menu navigation, apps that won't load, or general sluggish performance. Now let's cover the hard reset method, which is more powerful, but comes with important warnings you need to know. A hard reset returns your box to factory settings. This is a more drastic solution that should only be used when soft resets don't work. Method 1 for hard reset. Navigate through your box menus to Settings, then Device Management, and finally select Factory Reset. Confirm when prompted. Method 2. Hold the power button on the box itself, not the remote, for 15 seconds or more. This forces the box into reset mode. After a hard reset, you'll need to set up your box again from scratch. This includes re-entering your Wi-Fi password, account details, and all your personal preferences. Only use hard reset when absolutely necessary, such as when changing internet providers or when soft reset methods have failed to resolve persistent issues.